Hey guys, more coverage about CES, and this time the Razer phone. Now, the Razer phone is very reminiscent, in my impressions of it, of the Next Big Robin. Obviously that pretty much is what they did, was they took the Next Big Robin and gave it a little bit of boost in power and changed the materials just a little bit. But overall, my experience with the phone and my first impressions of it was actually pretty decent, man. I don't see the excitement around the screen and the performance and power like some people do. But that doesn't mean that it's a bad thing. I didn't have enough time with it, and obviously I couldn't stand there all day. And I haven't purchased the phone solely because of the price. I'm trying to limit myself on when I'm spending $800 or more on a phone, or more than 5 to 8, I guess I'll say. I'm trying to keep those purchases down, unless it's from a trusted brand like Samsung or Apple or something like that, HTC, LG. And Razer, this is their first stab at it, and it looks like a promising device. The screen is nice. Again, it's not as exciting as I thought it was going to be. However, it is a great phone. The only thing that holds me back at this point is the price. The form factor of the phone, it is exactly like the Next Big Robin. So if you ever thought about what does it feel like in the hand, just think of the Next Big Robin. Pretty good phone. I just want to give my first impressions of it. If the price does go down, I probably would pick it up. I would consider it because that dual speaker setup seems to be really nice. And now they've implemented a docking station pretty much. Think of decks on steroids, because the phone goes down into the entire base of the laptop shell where the mouse would be, or the trackpad would be, I'm sorry. So that's a pretty cool idea from Razer. I think they're doing big things, and I think that's probably going to take off amongst a certain crowd. There's a demographic for everything, and I think Razer is on the right path. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.